If you use Ome TV regularly, there are a few browser extensions this year that can actually improve your video chat experience, from filtering who you connect with to automating messages and even live translating conversations. One of the most useful is the OmeTV Country Filter, which lets you pick which countries you want to connect with and automatically skips calls from others. This is great if you prefer chatting with people from particular regions or just want to avoid random matches. Another powerful extension is OmeTV Automator, which automates sending a sequence of messages. It can click Start for you, deliver your queued messages to whoever you're connected to, and then hit Next to move on. For streamers or users who like to send greetings repeatedly, this can really speed things up. If you're interested in privacy, moderation, or just wanting to know more about who you're connecting with, there's the Video Chat extension, formerly known as Chatroulette extension, which supports OmeTV and other random chat sites. This gives you tools like an IP locator, a world map of where people are connecting from, gender filters, and even a streamer mode that can blur or cover a stranger's camera until you decide whether to show it on stream. Because it's open source, you can trust there's transparency in what it's doing. For language learners or anyone who struggles to understand foreign speakers, OmeTalk is a very handy extension. It provides real-time transcription and translation in dozens of languages so you can follow along better, even if the person on the other end speaks a different tongue. On the flip side, these extensions do come with risks. Some automate interactions in ways that might conflict with OmeTV's terms of service. Others ask for pretty powerful browser permissions. And using IP locators or geolocation data can have privacy implications, so be very careful where you download them from and always check reviews. In short, in 2025, if you want to upgrade your OmeTV experience, try Country Filter to control where your matches come from, Automator to streamline message sending, Video Chat extension for moderation and streamer tools, and OmeTalk for live translation. Just make sure you install from trusted sources and understand the trade-offs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments which OmeTV extension you're using, or if you want me to review one next. See you in the next one.